Hey everybody, Alicia here from Terradrift for LifeStraw, and I am stoked to introduce you to the new Peak Solo water filter, the lightest and most compact portable water filtration device in LifeStraw's entire Peak series lineup. Want numbers? We got you covered. The Peak Solo water filter weighs just 1.7 ounces, is 5.1 inches long, and features a pore size of 0.2 microns to remove bacteria, parasites, and microplastics, plus silt, sand, and cloudiness, none of which you want in your drinking water. But while it may be small, it's mighty. It has an enhanced flow rate of 3 liters per minute. Not bad for a filter that can fit in your pocket or clip onto your backpack. Plus, it's made of 50% post-consumer recycled materials and is BPA free. Plus, it's leak-proof when it's all sealed up. But let's break down the 4 components of the Peak Solo water filter. Starting at the top, there's a cap with a tether that attaches to the main filter body, so you never have to worry about losing it. It snaps onto the mouthpiece, which keeps that clean and leak-proof. The mouthpiece, by the way, can be completely unscrewed from the filter body and even has a removable silicone seal for easy cleaning. The filter itself consists of the enhanced membrane microfilter, which can handle up to 2,000 liters of clean drinking water. It will never allow bacteria or parasites to pass through, and you'll know when the filter needs to be replaced because no matter how much you backflush, water will no longer pass through. When that happens, you don't even need to buy a whole new product. The filter can simply be replaced with a Peak Series replacement filter. The bottom of the Solo water filter has a screw-on plug to keep it leak-proof, but when the plug is removed, it reveals a 28mm threaded opening that allows it to be fitted to most standard water bottles. And yes, it comes with a custom backwash syringe, which threads to the top of the filter housing to allow you to backflush the filter and extend its life. So let's break down how to use it. First, remove the filter from the packaging and find the user manual. Don't worry, if you lose it, you can always find instructions on lifestraw.com. Start by filling a 28mm threaded water pouch or any standard water bottle, like a smart water bottle, with water you want to filter. Remove the bottom cap and thread the filter onto the mouthpiece of your bottle. Then open the top cap to expose the water outlet, turn the whole thing upside down, and squeeze your water vessel to start the flow of water into a clean vessel, or directly into your mouth. When you're done, simply replace the top cap. As for backwashing, we recommend doing so regularly, ideally at the end of each day or as often as after every use to keep the filter clean and to prevent clogging, especially if you're filtering particularly muddy or silty water, which can slow the flow rate. To do so, simply unscrew the mouthpiece and thread on the included backwash syringe. Then remove the bottom cap. Submerge the base of the filter into clean drinking water and suck up water through the filter by pulling the syringe upward until it's mostly full. Then push it all back through again until all the water exits through the other side. Repeat this pull-push method several times and voila! Clean filter. Then just unscrew the syringe, replace the mouthpiece and top cap, and reattach the bottom cap. Every month or so, give your filter a deeper cleaning. To do it, add a 1/4 teaspoon of bleach to 2 cups of water. Use the syringe to pull and push the bleach solution through the filter the same way you would for backflushing, but do it 5 times. After the last pull, when the filter is full of bleach water, close the bottom cap, disconnect the syringe, and replace the mouthpiece and top cap. Let that sit for at least 4 hours or overnight, then repeat the backwash procedure with clean water to wash out any residual bleach, and you're good to go. If you're planning on storing your LifeStraw Peak Solo water microfilter for longer than a month without using it, follow a few extra steps to preserve the longevity of the filter and prevent it from drying out and clogging. Follow the regular cleaning and backwash instructions, but instead of letting it soak for 4 hours, lay the filter with the syringe attached on a flat surface for just 5 minutes. Then repeat the backwash procedure with clean water to wash out any bleach residue. Next, prepare a solution of 1 teaspoon of salt with 2 cups of water. Connect the syringe, immerse the bottom of the filter in the salt solution, and pull it into the filter by pulling up on the syringe. Then disconnect the syringe, salt solution still inside, and place the whole capless water filter into a sealed container so the filter stays wet. Store the entire container in a cool, dry place, and when you're ready to use it again, toss the excess saline solution and repeat the normal backwash procedure with clean drinking water to flush out the salt. Whether you've stored your filter for a few days or a few months, it's a good idea to test your filter before you head outdoors to, make sure it's in good working order. And remember that as with any membrane filter, ensure it doesn't freeze after use, as this can cause damage to the filter. So grab a Peak Solo water filter. No backpack, pocket, emergency bag, or glove compartment should be without one. And if you have additional questions, we're at info@lifestraw.com.